Good morning, sanibonani molweni, dumelang, bonjour. Guys, this is just an appreciation post. I am very grateful to God, guys. There was a time la bekunzima khona ukuvuka ekseni ndihlambe ndize emsebenzini. But I realized that this year I've not been absent at work, yes. I've been consistently coming to work. And it's not like I've been pushing myself a lot, but I just think I've been feeling great. Because by this time last year, I wouldn't say the same about myself. Last year when I checked, I was absent about 29 days. I was out of work for about 29 days. So when it is the second week of February and I've not been absent, for me, that's a great improvement. For those of you who will come across this video without knowing me or seeing this face for the first time, I am living with bipolar type 1 mental health disorder. So sometimes, guys, if you are to Google to say attendance emsebenzini abantu abane-bipolar injani is very poor, guys. So most people who are absent at work, it's they are bipolar people. So another thing is, guys, with bipolar, when you are feeling good and you are manic, you go to work and then you get depressed. You don't want to see people. You don't want to see anyone. So let alone waking up in the morning, taking a bath, driving to work. It feels like a mission. But I'm very grateful to God that I am where I am today with my mental state. I'm slowly but surely healing. Also, another thing that helps a lot is being self-aware. So today, I'm realizing that it looks like I'm heading to depression. The past few days I was manic, but it looks like now I'm heading to depression. But I just hope that it won't be that bad. I'll still be able to come to work and I'll still be able to function. I'm not saying I am depression free, but my depression is starting to be functional. When I say functional, I don't mean fully functional. I mean, at least ndiyakwazi uvuka, i-alarm ikhale ndivuke, ndihlambe, ndinxibe, ndiye emsebenzini, ndifike emsebenzini ndiwenze umsebenzi. So that's functional. Although I won't be that productive, but at least I would have pitched up at work. At least I wouldn't sleep the whole day. At least I wouldn't sleep the whole week. At least I would take a bath. At least I would do something. I would take care of myself, even though I'm depressed. So today is just one of those days. I'm not manic. I wouldn't say I'm stable. I can feel a depression coming. But I am hopeful that it won't be bad. I pray and believe that it won't be bad. So, okay, guys, bayazi abantu with mental health disorders, a day of being a little bit normal, or even if you are not normal, but if you do things that normal people do, to us it's an achievement. We congratulate ourselves. I'm even planning to say, I must put a time frame to say if I'm not absent at work for this long, I must do something good for myself. There are people who even leave their jobs, guys, because sometimes it becomes very difficult and very unbearable. I once had a time where it would even be difficult to meet other colleagues on the corridors. I don't want to talk to anyone. And guys, when you're a working class person, it becomes very difficult because you start acting weird, like you hide from people. You don't want to come to work because you have to be coming to work to hide from people. Imagine at work, there are people everywhere. In my profession, I'm dealing with people. So if you are watching this video and you are bipolar, or you have depression, or you have schizophrenic, or whatever mental health disorder that you have, I want to say to you today, with medication, therapy, and diet, it gets better. Just stay away from substance abuse. Do not smoke weed. Do not drink. Yes, those things, they will make you feel better for just a moment, but they are slowly also contributing. You will end up having psychosis. They will trigger psychosis because it's a substance abuse. It's just not good for your mental health. Remember, substance abuse is not good whether you have any mental health condition or not. So now, when you already have a damage in your brain and you are busy taking substances. So let us stay away from substance abuse. Let's look after ourselves. Let's love ourselves, guys. Loving yourself is as well. Let's try to stay away from negativity. If you feel like you feel like unaliving yourself, speak to someone. I'm sure there are people around you who care about you. Speak to someone. Just share that information. If you speak about it, chances of doing it are slim. But if you keep it to yourself, chances of doing it are high. So I'm saying to my fellow people, irrespective of what mental disorder you have, thank you for trying. Thank you for trying. Keep trying every day. You owe that to yourself. Try to keep that job. Don't quit. Take your leave. You have leaves for specific reasons. Take your sick leave. Ask your psychiatrist. If it means you have to go to incapacity leave, speak to your psychiatrist. Don't quit that job. You need it. No one is going to take care of yourself. I think that's what sometimes keeps me going. I know I have myself. So if I don't have a job, who is going to take care of myself? So I think that's what also keeps me going. And to people in the workplaces, also be kind to us. Please be kind. If you don't know what to say, just keep quiet. If you don't know what to say, just keep quiet. That's being kind. If you don't know what to say, keep quiet. If whatever you're going to say, it won't sit well with the next person, keep it to yourself. And also to managers at work, if your employees, they disclose that to you, you must also try to be supportive. I don't know how, but just try. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. I love you.